Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace wiper blades on a Mitsubishi Mirage. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the wiper arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the arm. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back against the glass, as this could cause damage. You can place a towel on the windshield for extra protection. Installing the new blade is just as easy. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade up until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's properly seated. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto your windshield. To finish up, turn on your car and test the new wiper blades using your windshield washer fluid. Watch for smooth, streak-free operation across the entire windshield. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. New blades significantly improve visibility and safety. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.